Yes, students, the ninth sum is the threshold wavelength for a metal surface whose photoelectric work function is equal to 3.313 electron volt is dash. We have to find out. So what is given is work function. What is asked here is a threshold wavelength. So both are related by one equation. So work function, the symbol for work function is phi 0. So work function is denoted by the symbol phi naught, and this is given as what 3.313 electron volt. The last two digits can be eliminated because it is not going to affect the value. Okay, so phi naught is also equal to 3.3 electron volt, that is equal to 3.3 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. Okay, I have converted the value of work function from electron volt into joule by multiplying by what is the charge of the electron. Okay, students. Then by expression, see here, phi naught is also equal to h into nu naught, where nu naught is a symbol for what? Threshold frequency, is it not? Threshold frequency. So this can be rewritten as what? This is equal to hc by lambda naught, where lambda naught only is called the threshold wavelength. See, this symbol itself, lambda naught, is not mentioned in most of the textbooks. So you should remember that if frequency is denoted with the symbol nu naught, means then the corresponding threshold wavelength is represented by the symbol lambda naught, and they can be related by this expression. We know that nu is equal to c by lambda, therefore nu naught is equal to c by lambda naught. So my dear students, the threshold wavelength lambda naught only has to be found. So I will take lambda naught, therefore lambda naught is taken to the left hand side. So this is equal to what? hc divided by phi naught. So the right hand side, Planck's constant and velocity of the light are in the SI system, okay, unit. Similarly, we have converted already electron volt into SI unit to joule. So now I am going to substitute the values. So this is now equal to what? This is equal to Planck's constant's standard value. I asked you to remember always. So 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 unit. Every time I am telling you it is joule into second. Into velocity of light in free space is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, and this is whole divided by phi naught is 3.3 into 1.6, okay, into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, students. Now instead of taking 3.313, I have eliminated these two digits, which is not going to affect the result. That is why it is easy to cancel now, is it not? So 6.6 multiplied by 10 is 66. 3.3 multiplied by 10 is 33. So that this is 11 6 or this is 11 3s are. Okay. So I will rewrite here. Therefore, okay, therefore lambda naught is equal to 6 into 3. So this is 6 into 3 into 10 power minus 34. So this is 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 8. So this is into 10 power 8. Now this 10 power minus 19 will come up. So this is 10 to the power of plus 19. Okay, students. So lambda naught, which number is remaining here? 3 into 1.6. Okay, 3 into 1.6 is remaining. So whole divided by 3 into 1.6. So these 3 and 3 can be cancelled. What is the remaining number? Is 6 divided by 1.6. So this is equal to 6 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 10 to the power of positive powers you add. This is 19 plus 8 is how much? 27 plus 27. Is it not? So if you take the ratio 6 divided by 1.6 means around 3.8 it will come. I think it is 3.75 will come. Okay, 3.75 should come into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 10 power 27 will give you minus 7 meter. Okay, so lambda naught is equal to 3.75 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Now this 3.75 I will multiply by 1000 and I will raise the power to 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay, or lambda naught is equal to 3750 into 10 power minus 10 meter, or lambda naught is equal to 3750 angstrom unit, because 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. So this must be the answer. We will verify now. Okay, so you see the 4 options, my dear students. Which option is correct? Option B is how much? 3750 angstrom unit. Are we getting the same answer? Are you happy? That is the correct answer. Okay, so which is the correct option? So option B is correct. Have you all understood? Okay.